Good Mitsubishi Day everyone and welcome back to Car Talk Network. For today's video ay isi-share ko sa inyo kung ano-anong features ang bago dito sa 2026 Mitsubishi Xpander GLS and Xpander Cross. And sa dulo ng video na to ay malalaman mo rin ang mga cash discounts, promo, inclusions na meron ng ating unit. So stay tuned. So start muna tayo sa engine. Same pa rin naman sa previous model na naka 1.5 4-cylinder gas engine with MyVec technology, anti-lock braking system with electronic brake force distribution. Active yaw control na meron na rin sa 2026 Xpander GLS na wala sa dating model. Ang AYC ay nakakatulong para maging stable ang ating sasakyan during sharp turn or slippery roads para maiwasan ang pagkawala ng balanse, oversteering or understeering ng ating vehicle. Pagdating naman sa front fascia, ang ating 2026 Xpander GLS ay may bagong design ng front grille, chrome accent with black metallic finish. Habang ang 2026 Xpander Cross naman ay may SUV modern look, front fascia with new design of front grille, gloss black finish. Headlamps, daytime running lights, same pa rin naman. Pero yung dati naka-halogen fog lamp sa Xpander GLS, ngayon ay naka-LED fog lamp na sa 2026 model. 17-inch two-tone alloy wheels with new design. When it comes to side mirror, naka-color keyed side mirror na siya, meaning kakulay ito ng body color. And pati yung door handle niya guys is hindi na chrome kundi body color na rin. So sa interior naman tayo guys, yung kanyang steering wheel ay naka 3-spoke leather wrap with audio control, 8-inch integrated LCD multi-information display monitor for Xpander GLS and Cross, 10-inch na yung dating 9-inch smartphone link display audio with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Another new feature na pinakagusto ko dito sa 2026 Xpander GLS and Cross is itong multi-around monitor na nagbibigay ng 360 degrees view of the surroundings, kaya naman visible na yung obstacle and blind spot when parking or reversing. Black high-grade fabric seats with black accent para sa 2026 Xpander GLS, while black and burgundy synthetic leather seats with heat guard for 2026 Xpander Cross. At ang bago dito guys is yung adjustable second row center headrest. Ang isa pang bagong feature na nagustuhan ko dito sa 2026 Xpander GLS and Cross is yung built-in car alarm system na nagbibigay ng additional security ng ating vehicle. So ayan, na-share ko na sa iyo kung ano yung bago dito sa 2026 Xpander. At kung umabot ka sa part na to, please subscribe to my channel para maging updated ka rin naman sa mga upcoming promo and discount ng Mitsubishi. Dito naman tayo guys sa prices ng 2026 Xpander. So start muna tayo sa Xpander GLX manual transmission. Ipa-flash ko na lang po sa screen ang ating mga prices, cash discount and mga promo ng ating unit. For Xpander GLX automatic, so ito po yung base model ng ating automatic variants. For Xpander GLS automatic, and lastly, for Xpander Cross automatic. Thank you so much for watching and see you sa another episode ng Car Talk Network.